Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Gonna fix me a quick little dinner this afternoon. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. Get this camera down here. I've got some sourdough that my neighbor Jenna Hale made. I'm gonna slice off a couple of pieces of this. Get this back in there. All right, I say this is a pretty quick and easy. I've been doing this for years. I take a pretty good bit of pimento cheese. Kind of funny, we grew up calling it minter cheese, like fishing minnows. I think when I got old enough, I asked my mother, why do they call that minter cheese? She laughed and explained it was pimento cheese. So I just put a good coating of pimento cheese. Minter cheese sounds better. All right. Get this out of the way here. Get my knife cleaned up. Now this is going in my air fryer here. We used to, when I was a kid, we'd do this in the oven. When we got a toaster oven, we'd do it in the toaster oven. Let's see, turn this baby on and go to air fry. Temperature 410 degrees is good enough. We're gonna flat bake it anyway. I've got to change the setting here in just a minute. All right, let's get the rest of this sandwich. I've got a really ripe tomato. See, it's so nice slices through like butter. I want thin slices. Almost paper thin if you can get them. Oh yeah. These two end pieces will not go to waste, I promise you. These will have some Cajun seasoning sprinkled on. Some camp dog, you know I gotta have it. Alright, let's check on these. Turn this off for a minute. And it's starting to melt. And give it about another minute. Alright, let's see how these are doing. I want them really melted. Yeah, there they are. Actually starting to toast on the edges here. Ask me if it's hot. Yeah, it's toasting up really good. Whew. What smells wonderful? The sourdough. So what I'll do, take these real thin slices, put them on top. All right, I've got the one covered. You see these are real thin slices. And I like to take a little bit of pepper. The pimento cheese is usually got enough salt in it. If you want to add some salt, go right ahead. And there they are, boys and girls. Let me put them back in the on broil. Turn this baby and get some color on them now. Don't those look good, boys and girls? It smells wonderful. This is a great way to up your game with pimento cheese. And I've got right here the topper. Just a little bit of olive oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. It sure looks good. These look so good. I can tell you they're a little bit warm right now. Yeah. Just gonna let them cool off just for a minute before I get a bite of them. All right, you can kind of see on the edge the tomatoes starting to turn brown a little bit. It's cooked, almost like sun-dried, except it's sun-dried under the broiler. Let's see how hot this is. I think I can get a bite, maybe. Get my hands dry here. Well, that is so good. It's crunchy. That sourdough is wonderful flavor. The tomatoes and the olive oil, pepper. It's kind of has a flavor like pizza. I guess because of olive oil and tomatoes and cheese. But it's really good. I gotta go in for another bite, boys and girls. I just sit here and eat and not share it with you. I'm telling you, if you've never had this, you gotta make you some. Well, thank you for being here with the old dude's dinner. That's all I'm gonna have tonight, which is a pretty good bit. It's just a small sandwich, I guess that's what you might say. Open face. And I do appreciate it so much for you being here. I appreciate you watching all of my videos and commenting on them. So comment on this video. Have you ever had this sandwich? You ever heard of this sandwich? I don't know what to call it. Broiled pimento cheese or broiled minter cheese with tomatoes on sourdough. It's really, really good. Thank y'all for being here. The old dude's gonna finish his dinner.